Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Scorpios. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, as usual from this deck, and I'll be picking cards from the Wisdom Oracle deck for guidance regarding your work situation or your relationship, and I'll be picking one card from the Angel deck. So that is the angels guidance for us today, guys. So these are for your daily energies, Scorpios, and I'll be picking two cards from this deck, guys, from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So these cards will relate to your, this is for your career situation, and this is for your relationship, and I'll be picking one card from the Angel deck. We'll turn the cards now, guys. So for your daily energy, Scorpios, Page of Pentacles, Seven of Cups in reverse, Five of Swords in reverse. Scorpios, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, today you are facing certain stressful situations. So it may be in your work situation or your relationship, guys, and your person or you see your person as a really trustworthy person. You share a great understanding and a relationship, guys, and you have that intimacy in your relationship. That is also what I see here. But there are some struggles that you are going through. No matter what these cards say, you are feeling stressed about some things. Some things are not going as expected, and maybe in certain areas you are successful, whatever you are getting. Maybe I feel here that you may be doing well in your relationship and things are not going so well in your work situation, or it can be vice versa. Things are going well in your work situation, and in your relationship certain things are really stressful. That may be the energy here, guys. So let us see what are these cards. What is the oracle card for us? Between worlds. This is the card for our career, guys. Scorpios, with this card, the oracle message, guys, is this is a time of great change coming our way, guys. Transitions in your work situation. So you do not know what is the outcome. You just have to be curious, guys, curious, and this is not a time to make assumptions, and we cannot be certain about the outcome. So whatever is supposed to come towards us, we may not expect. So the unexpected things may come towards us. So this is the time that you may make certain choices in your work situation, believing that it may work because it has given success for others. But right now, with this card here, the energy is that maybe it is a gamble, whatever choice you are making. So sometimes we may win or sometimes we may lose, but you have to remain curious, guys, curious for the results. So when you are curious, maybe with timing and luck, you will stumble upon some golden opportunities in your work situation. So certain things are coming towards you, but you cannot expect anything. You have to give up your expectations. There is no guarantee in your situation, in your work situation. So whatever efforts you are putting in, so whatever comes towards you, it may not be what you have expected. So you have to let go of your expectations, and when you do that, you will see that your life changes for the better, Scorpios. That is what I see here with this card for your career situation. And for your relationship, guys, a change in the wind. With this card, Scorpios, the energy is that, guys, in your relationship, things are changing. Some way, some major changes are happening, and you are aware that this relationship is not on a firm ground. You are feeling that shift and that uncertainty in your situation. What may come out of this relationship, you do not know. So sometimes in our relationship we go through some bad times, quarrels, arguments and misunderstandings, and all that will try to bring our relationship down, guys. And sometimes this person just leaves us. So we should see that as an opportunity for mutual growth. We should see those times of hardships as mutual growth, where we get a better understanding of ourselves, and we have to feel that rest within ourselves, that all things good will come from it, from the situation. So when you take shelter away from this traumatic situation, you will feel fresh again, and you will feel that even this situation will change someday for the better. So that is what this card means. So in your relationship, maybe you are going through some stressful circumstances which are out of control. So you need to just wait it out, guys, and all better things will come to you in the right time. So that is the oracle's guidance here, guys. Let us see what is the angel card for us. Kindness. So with this card, the angel guidance for us, guys, is that we have to go in for compassion and giving in our life, guys. So even a small gesture, a kind word, a simple act done without any expectations in return. So those helping activities will bring that sense of community and acknowledgement from the other person. So sometimes we are in a receiving end of such kindness. So we should not forget that we should be one day able to give that same way to someone and lighten their day. So when we are kind with people, our friends, family, or even strangers, so that will bring in great appreciation from them, and it will open our heart to more beauty of life and compassion, guys. So that is the angel's guidance for us, and it will automatically help us to heal ourselves, heal us from our pain, whatever we have in our heart. So that is the reading for you all, Scorpios. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.